Hello there, my name is Azat Mardan. I am the founder of Node University and author of React Quickly. Welcome to the introduction to chapter 3 of my book React Quickly. In this chapter, I will be explaining what is JSX. JSX, it's a small language that allows you to write React code to create React components and elements in a better, more eloquent, more compact, in a format which is more readable and understandable. So those are main benefits of JSX. The downside of JSX is that you would have to learn it, and that's what we are doing in this chapter. We're learning how to create elements with JSX, how to create components, how to output variables in the JSX code. You would use the curly braces for that. How to work with properties. Not all properties are equal. Class and for, they're different. You'd have to use class name or for HTML for those properties. Then how to create if and else statements. I will show you 3 most popular syntax patterns, how you would use if else condition. You cannot just put if else, you would have to use a ternary and a few other tricks. Not all React developers know about them, but I will give you all the secrets. Then we'll finish it up with how to comment in JSX. But that's only 50% of the problems with JSX. JSX is wonderful, it allows for better code, but the biggest problem, or about 50% of the problems with JSX, is that you need to convert it. You cannot just run JSX in the browser. It has to be converted into regular JavaScript. And for that, we would set up Babel. Babel, it's a code transpiler. It would take your JSX and convert it into a pure JavaScript. Babel does many other things as well. It will take your new code such as ES8, ES9 or ES6 and convert it to old code which will run in old browsers, the ES5 code. But we're not gonna do those things. We will be using Babel just for the JSX. It's easy to start using it for other things as well, but we will be using it for JSX. And we would be using Babel CLI. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. So you go into your command prompt or a terminal app and boom, 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 you type special commands and you have your regular JavaScript. So you actually run normal JavaScript. That's what we did in chapter 1 and 2. We wrote using normal JavaScript. But now we're going to switch to JSX, and for the rest of this book, we will continue to be using JSX because this is the best way to write and read and use React. And then at the end of this chapter number 3, I will explain you a few of the gotchas, a few of the pitfalls of the JSX and also React itself, such as using a style attribute, using the data attribute, outputting special characters, the Boolean variables, etc., etc. So by the end of this chapter, you would know pretty much everything you need to know about JSX to be intermediate or maybe even advanced developer. So that's it for now. Watch this chapter to know everything about JSX. Even if you're already familiar with JSX, I'm sure you will find a lot of useful information and you can be more productive and you would create less bugs after you read this chapter. And I'll see you in the next video.